Hey guys, how you doing? This is Rob with Rob's Honest Review. I have a question for you. Do you guys have a reef tank, and are you sick and tired of cleaning your reef filter socks, washing those things out in the sink and then run them through your dishwasher? Well, if that is the case, then I have a solution for you. Stick around and I'm going to explain everything right now for you. All right guys, so what I'm going to be talking about today is reef diapers. Now these are disposable reef filter socks, 4-inch filter socks. These come from Amazon. These things are honestly a game changer when it comes to your filter socks. Now, normal filter socks have either a felt or a mesh, and you put it in your sump, and then 3 or 4 days later, you got to take the cup out, push it inside out, spray it out, wash it in a bucket with bleach, or wash it in your washing machine or whatever, and it's going to be a pain in the butt. But today, I'm going to be talking about these reef diapers that I got from Amazon. They are basically a coffee filter almost for your reef tank, okay? Now the first time you buy these, you are gonna need to buy the starter set. They sell on Amazon. You'll get 2 of the little flanges, okay? So the first time you buy it, it's like $27. You'll get 10 of these and the 2 flanges to start. You may not need 2, but it's kind of good. Even if you only have 1 filter sock placement, it's great to have 2 because then you just have 1 ready to go. But these are super simple to put on. You just take the top part of your flange here, sit this over this, slide this through until it's a little bit tight, and then there you go. Now this will go in either type of sump where you have a 4-inch hole that this goes into, or my sump has a little 2 little arms that come out, and you just turn it to the side and stick it in there and it goes around. And I'll show you in just a minute how they fit into my reef tank. As far as the quality, these are comparable to, I believe they say like 150 micron mesh filter, but these things take a lot of gunk out of your tank. So this video is kind of going to be broken up into 2 parts. One on this first part where I'm going over it. I will show you how they go into my sump, and then I am going to make a second part of the video showing you how they look when they're time to be cleaned, how long they last, and things like that. But for right now, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to step away, change the camera view, and then I will show you how easy they are to hook up to your fish tank. All right, so I'll be right back, guys, okay? Okay guys, I am back. I am over at my reef tank. Actually, I will step back and let you see. I do have a 55-gallon Peninsula style aquarium. It's turned off right now, so all the lights are off. I usually turn it off when I'm changing my filter socks, just so it's a little bit easier to hook them up. Now you can do these 2 ways, depending on what kind of sump setup you have. Mine, I can pull this off if I want, but for this purpose of this video, I'll just show you. I can just slide it right on there, turn it sideways, and it sits right there, as you can see. Now if you have the type of sump where it sits in the top, it should sit right in there, and then it will give you that little lip where water will go over that and flow down through there. So as you can see, guys, it fits in there nice. And then these, I will show you after a couple days what they look like. It's kind of weird. They kind of balloon out a little bit. That lets you know it's time to change it. So for right now, guys, this part of the video is over. I'm going to come back in a couple of days and show you what they look like after it's been running for a few days. Thank you so much, guys. See you in a second. Okay, guys, it's been about 3 days. As you can see, these filters are puffed out. They look a little crazy the way they balloon out, but it's time to change the filter. So I'll show you how easy it is to change them. I just pull this down. Now this is the part that's a little bit tricky. Just have to let the water drain out of that for a second. All right, guys, so once you get it over your bucket, it's pretty simple. Or, you know, whatever you use, don't have to use a bucket. You just pop that off right there, slides out, and there you go. Then you just take these, rinse these off, and then you're ready to go put a new filter on. All right, hi guys, how you doing? I'm back with my final thoughts on these reef diapers. And I'm gonna tell you what, guys, these are probably the best filter socks that I've ever used. I'm not gonna go back to using anything else because this is just so much easier to just pop the little clip off. throw it in the trash, put a brand new one on, and then you're ready to go. It's so much easier than having to rinse them out, wash them through the dishwasher or the washing machine, or however you wash them. But it is 1,000 times easier to just throw this away. So a little recap then, when you first buy these, you are going to need to buy the starter kit that comes with 2 flanges. You get 10 filter socks and 2 flanges. So if you have a setup where you have 2 filter socks in your sump at a time, you might want to buy 2 of the starter kits. That way you have 4 flanges. You can just easily swap them out. But then afterwards, after your starter kit runs out, you want to buy these. This is 60-piece set from Amazon. That's about $57, $58. So that comes out to a little bit less than $1 a piece. So for me, I use 2 and I change them out every 3 days. So about $4 a week, about $16 a month. For me, yeah, that's a little bit more than what you pay for the price of a filter sock and washing it. But by the time you consider, the time it takes you to wash it and the bleach and electricity and all that stuff, it's probably not much of a difference. This is just so much easier, guys. You just throw this in the trash and you go. There you go. That's my thoughts, guys. These Reef diapers are what I'm going to be using for the rest of my days with my reef tank. Again, this is Rob Thomas Reviews. If you found any value out of this video, guys, please subscribe to the channel. Help me grow this thing a little bit. I am a new YouTuber and I am trying to build a community here on YouTube. So if you have any questions or concerns or comments, please leave them down below. There'll also be a link in the description for both of these products, for the starter kit and for the bulk pack. But again, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Rob with Rob Thomas Reviews. Thank you so much, guys.